Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have two NOSHERIE boxes. So I am excited about this app. It's an app that's only for iPhones right now. They are working. They're just a pretty brand new company. They started in November. They're just a bunch of young people that had started this company and started the app. And once they get things really rolling well, they will do an Android app. They're just still in the testing stages, so to speak. And they really blew up much faster than they thought. So they have sent out an email. It says, hello, our team has been hard at work the last few weeks as we continue building the best experience possible, and it's all thanks to the incredible feedback you and other amazing foodies have given us. This feedback has helped shape several updates and enhancements that we are excited to share below. So now when they send out a box, we can track it. They send me an email that says that the tracking information. That's really cool. And then also they are trying to make more sample boxes available. And then the daily activity, I have trouble with the daily activity, and I've just learned to not let it get me down. When you go in, they want you to go in every day, every 24 hours, and they'll show you pictures of snacks. This is a snack box, in case I didn't say that. And basically healthy snacks. So they'll show you a picture, and then you will, there's a heart if you think you would like to try it, and there's an X or something if you think it's something you wouldn't like. And you know, so you do that and you earn days, so to speak. So you may not earn a day every day, but it may take a couple of days to earn a day. But when you end up with 7 out of 7 days, then you get to choose a box. So they do have some glitches here and there, but they are working on it. And their referral program was if you referred so many people, you would get a free box. They have ended that for the moment. They're reconfiguring that. So but if they owe you any boxes, they say they're going to get to them, and don't worry. So I've got 2 this time. And one is I wrote it down. One is the Crunch Box, and the other is the Snack Pack. So this is the Crunch Box, and usually you get 4 trial size items. Now you may get a full size item in your box. So this box has, this is the brand Friendly Grains Crunchy Rollers. Okay, these are like sticks. They're like rice cakes is what they look like. Organic puffed brown rice, original brown rice, and it's USDA organic, delightfully crunchy and subtly sweet. Oh, that's nice. And there's 2 rolls. It says 2 rollers. Isn't that cool, y'all? I mean, I've never seen one rolled like that. So now I've got 8 things to show you, so I'm not going to taste everything, but I'll show you that. Then this is really neat. This is called the Good Bean. We've had this brand before. These are fava beans and sea salt, crispy fava beans in sea salt. Let's open that one up. The beans, these have been spectacular because I never would think. They take beans and they bake them and season them, and they make them like a snack. How healthy is that? I mean, you know, because beans are very good for you, and a lot of us don't get beans. You know, when I was young, you'd have beans. Your mom would cook beans. Nowadays, you don't see that many. You don't see beans that often unless you cook them yourself. So this is a great way to get some of that in you. This bag here has 7 grams of protein in it. It says that it is kosher, 7 grams of protein, gluten-free, and vegan. And it's a nice size snack bag. It is, this serving size is this bag, and it's 120 calories only in here. So let me open it and see. I'm just going to cut the bottom of it, and we'll take a couple out. Okay, so see how those look? They're beans that are like crisped or something. Delicious. I mean, really, it tastes like it's crunchy, and it's like full-bodied, you know, if that makes sense. It tastes like a great snack. And then you're getting some of that protein from your beans. Really great idea. Really great idea. And then we have this is similar. Oh, this is neat. I want to keep eating these. This is a different brand, the Happy Snack Company Crunchy. These are fava beans also. These are crunchy, and these are smoky barbecue flavor. And that is a full size, I mean, that is a single serve, 130 calories for this size. And it has, this is a product of Australia, it says. Gluten-free, nut-free, and vegan. So just great, these are great to just throw in your bag. You're out somewhere, you didn't realize that you weren't gonna have time to eat, or I mean, you know, you end up being longer than you expected somewhere, and you can have a snack, a healthy snack that tastes good. And then these are Made Good Granola Minis Chocolate Banana. Oh, we're gonna have to look at these. You can't see them in there. Made Good. This is 110 calories for this package, and it is 1 serving size. It says dedicated facility, free from peanut allergy, that kind of stuff. So it's got a lot, you see it has a lot of good things like that on it. These snacks are all, they're not all vegan, they're not all dairy-free and all that, but they do have a lot of that going on with these snacks. So isn't that adorable? This is what it looks like. And it smells, oh, it smells chocolatey. Tastes like granola, tastes like banana. Banana chocolate, just like it says. Really tasty. I like that, y'all. And then on to our snack pack. That is good. It has a great banana flavor to it. I should show you, in the box, you get this card. There is their logo. And then what you do after you taste everything, you go back to the app and give them your feedback and let them know what you thought of the items. I'm telling y'all, I've gotten a lot so far, and I've really enjoyed everything. These are things that well, not everything, but a lot of things I would not ever buy, but I'm finding them to be very delightful things. So this is interesting. Let me show it to you, and then I'll tell you what it says. This is a squeeze thing. It says organic mama chia, seed your soul. It's a chia squeeze vitality snack in blackberry bliss. It's a prebiotic fiber, 1,200 grams of omega-3, and there's 70 calories in here, y'all. It says squeeze some natural vitality and power nutrients into your day. Our organic chia seeds are infused with vibrant fruits and vegetables to create a convenient snack for souls of all ages. You know, this I would think is something that should be maybe in the refrigerator, maybe not. I gotta look at this, y'all. I am interested. Chia seeds are wonderful to put in your smoothies and things like that. It opens like this. Oh, it smells really good. All right, I don't know if we're gonna, it's liquidy, so, all right, it's very liquidy. Can you see that? It's delicious. It tastes like fresh blueberry pieces in there, but that might be the chia seeds. So chia seeds will fill you up, and they have a lot of great vitamins to it. That is great. I'm gonna put that back in my refrigerator since I opened it. 70 calories in this pouch. Wow. That is a really cool thing, y'all. Anyway, but yeah, I've been seeing a lot of these kind of packages here lately. And then we have this Maddie K's roasted almonds, GMO-free and gluten-free almonds. Nice little snack pack of that. This is the serving size is the package. And the calories are 107. That's interesting, 107. And they are roasted California's finest almonds. Oh, they're sea salt. There's the flavor, sea salt. So great, another great thing. I love nuts. I love nuts. I'm a nut person. And then I have this is One Crunch. I want to say we might have had something from One Crunch already. This is a cinnamon French toast bar. It's 140 calories and 12 grams of protein. This is perfect. I love this kind of thing for those days that I'm racing out of the house, which happens more than I wanted to. And then I have no time for breakfast. So these I can take with me to work, leave them in my desk at work, and then I can have this when I need something to eat for breakfast and I've missed. This is in the flavor Cinnamon French Toast. Yummy, that sounds delicious for breakfast. Okay, so it's 140 calories and this is 1 serving. So that is fantastic. And then we have, looks like fun. I love this kind of stuff. Okay, let me show it to you and then look how cute that packaging is for a kid. Wouldn't they just love that? This is no added sugar. It's 100% natural. This is a fruit roll in strawberry and bear. I guess that's the brand. It's a non-GMO. I love that packaging. And there's a collector card inside. Yeah, this is for a child. There's 2 rolls in here. It says 1 serving per container. So you get to have both, which makes a kid feel good, which makes me as an adult feel good. I don't have to share this sack. This is 60 calories. Let's look at it, y'all. Oh, wow. I love fruit leathers of any kind. Okay, so there are 2. All right, there are 2. There's 1. The other one left in the bag. But I wanted to show you the card. There's a collector's card in here. And this is a great white shark. How much fun for kids. I love that. And it's like plastic coated, so this won't bother it at all. And it is a fruit leather, you can see. I love fruit leathers. That tastes delicious. Very strawberry. Y'all, these are the most fun. The most fun snacks. I love it. Thank you, NOSHERIE, for these. I'm going to try to put this up because smudge is coming. I don't want fur on my snacks. Thank you all so much for stopping by to see this. And like I said, I'll let you know as soon as I know that they have the Android app available. It may take a while because they still are working on things. So thank you so much, NOSHERIE, for these fabulous snacks. I'll put pictures of them on Instagram if you're interested in seeing it up close. Thank you all for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Thank you, NOSHERIE.